Okay, let's go to the next one. Said Kamran. Said Kamran is commenting course duration, timing, etc. So course duration is basically self-paced. Okay, self-paced. Okay, self-paced timing. You can learn it whenever you want. It's not a live class. So it's live doubt sessions. Okay, live doubts will be there. Okay, I'll answer all your doubts live. The course is recorded. All the technical stuff are recorded, but there are not just technical. There is SQL also I'm teaching, data warehouse also I'm teaching, then Unix also I'm teaching. Then on top of that, pandas, Python, pandas, Python, Spark, basically PySpark. Then on top of that, AWS, then Azure, then GCP, then Databricks, Airflow, MySQL, PostgreSQL, the list is so on. And also, I personally guide you to prepare resume. All this resume preparation is all live. Naukri profile optimization is also live. Naukri and resume is live. Okay, I personally guide you how to create, and there are videos how to create, and then I personally review it and make the changes also. And on top of that, there are interview preparation videos also, which I called it as gold videos, where how to prepare resume, how to what are the important questions, what are the scenario based questions, all this I have covered, and how to answer, how to tackle all those. So those things I've covered here. Okay, let me answer. I've already answered in the video, but let me put it in comments also. Recorded course, live crowd sessions, personal events, resume video, Naukri profile video. Also there is, what I was saying, there is a challenge. Put this on.
If you achieve a 100% hike within 3 months, you'll get a full refund.